Hello, this is Benjamin with ARI, your website company, and the point of this video will be to go over and talk about the setup tools menu option we have in the left-hand menu of the CMS editor. Let's get started. First, we'll start by clicking on Setup Tools. Underneath Setup Tools, we have Integrations and Default Data Model. Default Data Model is only something that's visible to internal members like myself, and even if it was visible to dealers like yourself, it wouldn't be very useful. So let's jump into integrations. There are a number of things that you can do within this integration manager. If we go into type, you'll be able to see most of what I'm talking about. So DMS integration is going to cover a wide band of Lightspeed and CDK integrations. So this would be CDK Lightspeed PG&A and CDK Pro Level inventory management. Email management and lead management have both been deactivated, so those are no longer used. Microfiche. This is if you would like to view your current OEM parts pricing and make upgrades to it. Other is for any other integrations that we may accept. And to get a list or a better idea of what integrations we currently work with as far as programs and types of programs and that kind of thing, I'd get a hold of your implementation specialist if your site is not live. And if your site is live, then get a hold of your account manager to get a complete list of integrations that we currently work with. And then of course down here we have social media. The social media uses a service called Add This, and Add This will allow you to host your social media icons and links on various pages of your website. Then over to the right we have the integration report. Should you have any feeds such as CDK Lightspeed, or you have another one like CDK PG&A, or many others. This is where you can check to make sure that they are currently active, when they were last accessed, and if they currently have a login set, and if it does have a login set, it will usually tell how many logins are currently on that particular integration. That is pretty much it. Before I let you go, I'd like to thank you very much for your time. Until I talk to all of you again, have a great rest of your day. Bye-bye.